Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got the package. Let me show you guys right here. I got the package for the side mirror of the 2008 Toyota Avalon. Bought it off eBay. And do the unboxing, guys. Where's my keys? That was easy. So here it is, guys. Let me turn this down like this. Put the box over there. Came in 2 boxes, and from whatever this place say, TRD, trusted, reliable quality. That's what they say. It's open, just like so, and there we go. Got it. I don't even know what is this. Seems like a sticker or something. Yeah. I don't know if it's a sticker, but I'll put it back in the box. And here it is. Here it is, guys. So it comes in this cloth thing. I don't know what this is. But this is my brand new side mirror. Okay. So this is how it looks. This is for the passenger side, so it's on the right side. Yeah, it's on the right side, guys. Look at it. You guys will see it. Wow, look at the clear reflection. All right, what I noticed, object and mirror are closer than they appear. Okay, when I purchased this on eBay, it's different from the original manufacturer, of course, because this one, I'm gonna have to return this one. This don't have the, look at it, guys, as you can see, it don't have the turn signal, the arrow, the turn signal. Let me show you guys. Let me give you guys an example. It's nighttime too, so that's even better. All right, so let me remove the camera. Bam. So the left, see, my other one still works even though it's broken. It still works. Can I turn on the window? Yeah, so you guys don't see the reflection. See, it have the turn signal, and let me drop the. This one is not turned on. I didn't turn it on. As you can see, it shows I have the turn signal even though it's not turned on. Let me turn it on. You see it, guys? So you guys see it. So as for this one, it does not have the turn signal. So guys, when you're going to purchase, if this happened to you, if you have a broken one, if you broke it and you want to purchase it, when you go online, like go on eBay, make sure guys that you put in the make, the model, the year, and also make sure let me connect this. Hold on, guys, let me get this connected back so you guys can see me properly. Make sure you read the description, because I didn't read the description. I just saw the price. It was like 50 bucks. Make sure you read the description. It is gonna say heated heated mirror with turn signal, and it'll say OEM, which is the original manufacturer. Once he said that, once you read and it said with turn signal, that's the correct one. So you got to be very careful, because I got to return this one. So I got to go back on eBay, send them an email, and tell them this wasn't the right one. It's a good thing it's refundable. Make sure you look at that too. Make sure the product is refundable, and it's free return as well. They're gonna send me a when I put it in, they're gonna send me a label to return it without me paying for the return, and I'm gonna get my money back, of course. And I'm gonna contact the seller and let them know when I get that barcode, the tracking number. I'm gonna send them the tracking number so they could look at the tracking to see it's on their way back to them. But I should be getting the label when I put it in. They're gonna send me a free label in the mail. Yes, guys, so be very careful. This is brand new. It will work. It will work, no lie. It will still. This one do have the heated mirror. It heat up because I have that feature that when I turn on my defroster, the mirrors heats up as well. But the only problem is this one do not have the turn signal. And I love I think that the turn signal light is a good feature. You know, you turn it on. Sometimes people don't be paying attention to I don't know. You know, people is crazy these days. But they see the turn signal and they get the picture that I want to turn left or right. But be very careful when you guys go on eBay. I was so in a rush, and because I saw the price, it was so cheap. It was only $50, but this one did not have the turn signal. That's the downfall. And I noticed the original one, the OEM one, is more expensive than the one without the it's more expensive. The one with the turn signal is more expensive than the one without it. I don't know why. I checked the dealership. The dealership is selling them for $500. I've seen a lot of places selling it for used for about $200 and up. At the dealership, you can get it brand new, but it's going to be more money. Of course, it's going to be like $500. They probably tax the $500, of course. So be very careful if you want to get a used one. You still could look on eBay. It's going to run from 100. You'll be lucky. I seen the one for the passenger side from 145, which is not bad. But still, since my car is silver, I'm still going to need to take it to a paint shop. I know a paint shop that I went, that when I had I had purchased a new bumper for my 07 model, and it was silver as well. And I went to this paint shop, and it wasn't bad. They got the color code from the car, which they got the paint from the dealer and everything, and they was real good, and it was really reasonable. I don't know about y'all, but I know for me. So I still got to get it painted. I'm going to return this one, and I'm going to purchase one that with the turn signal. And I still got to get it painted, because I doubt that I'm going to get the same color silver. So whatever color it is, I still got to take it to the paint shop. They're going to sand it down. They're going to prime it, and then they're going to repaint it silver, just like my car. Because it's going to look stupid if I have one side of my side mirror is silver and the other one is black. That's going to be ugly, or blue or green or whatever color the next one that I'm going to purchase. So I'm going to return this one, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Look at it one more time. It'll still work if I connect it. This is 3 bolts. All I got to do is remove these black stuff, like, you know, remove this black stuff, and you'll see the screws, whatever. This is the connector. And when I get the new one, I will do a video, get it painted and everything, and I'll do a video of I will do a video when I'm installing it, and it's gonna be newly painted silver, of course, just like my car color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys take in this serious, this important message, information that I told you guys. Make sure you look for the description of the description of the product. Make sure it said with turn signal. It's gonna say heated mirror with turn signal. Some of them gonna say none heated or without turn signal. So you got to make sure you look and pay attention when you're purchasing online. I was just in a rush. Some people don't care about the turn signal. You could do that. I mean, it still would have worked, but I want my turn signal. I'm so used to it, guys. But I hope this video helps. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please help my channel grow. I'm trying to help this channel grow. Please help me out by hitting that like and hitting that subscribe button. It's totally free, guys. Have a good night. Be safe. Take care. God bless. And I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Peace out and bye-bye.
Get into the money. 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 Get into the money.